ma'am.
Good morning. Can I get your resume?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. First of all, thank you for giving this opportunity to introduce myself. I am Aashiq and I am from Palasa. And I am recently completed my B.Tech graduation in Ragu Engineering College in Visakhapatnam, of Electronics and Communication Department. And coming to my 10th and intermediate, I had completed my 10th and intermediate in my hometown Palasa in Narayana Junior College and Ravindabad School. And coming to my technical skills, I am good at C, Java, Python, and web development skills like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and backend like databases, SQL. And coming to my B.Tech project, and we have done a B.Tech project like low light image enhancement using convolution neural network, which will enhance the low light images to bright lights. And coming to my technical projects, I have done the technical projects in Python, like a student report code using Python and paperless voting system using Python. And coming to my strengths, I am a quick learning person and self-motive person, and I'm a good team player also. I can manage with any technologies, and I am flexible with any technologies. And that's all from my side, ma'am.
Okay. What are your technical skills?
Ma'am, my technical skills are C, Java, and basics of Python, ma'am.
Okay. What is mean by Java?
Um, Java is a high-level programming language and it is a object-oriented programming language. It is a platform-independent programming language, and using this Java, we can develop a web applications and internet applications.
Okay. What are the drawbacks of Java?
The drawbacks of the Java is in the Java there is no pointer concept, ma'am, and we cannot have the copy also.
What is class and object?
It is a instance of object, ma'am, and it is in the class there will be the collection of objects, methods, and data. Is a instance of class which will be used to call the methods in the present of the class.
Okay. Why Java does not support multiple inheritance?
Java supports multiple inheritance using interfaces, no? but does not support using Java classes. It will be produce a ambiguity situation whether the JVM does not understand to execute whether to execute a parent class one method or parent class two method in child class.
Constructors.
Then constructors is a special type of methods which is acts as like as a method, but it is coming to constructor, it is having the same name as a class name, and in the constructor does not contain any return types. Return type, it will act as a normal method, and constructor is does not require any return type, and it should be the same name as class name. Whenever we are creating the object to the class, the constructor is directly invoked.
What is the difference between string and string buffer?
Coming to the string and string buffer, string is a immutable one, and string buffer is immutable. When applying in a string, it will be does not change to the original string, but according to the string buffer, it will be changes to the according to the methods applying to the string buffer.
Okay. What is mean by primitive data types?
There will be 8 primitive data types like int, char, float, long, double, etc.
Okay. What is constructor overloading?
Over the constructors, when having the more than one constructor in a class parameters, and while executing the creating the objects with parameters, it will be executed according to the constructor with parameters.
What are packages?
Package is nothing but it is mechanism to store the different types of classes methods into the single unit.
What is the difference between package and subpackage?
Subpackage means in the package having the another package is known as subpackage.
What is the difference between instance variable and local variable?
When coming to the instance variables are declared inside the class and outside the method. In this, the instance variable will be access to the entire the class, but local variables are presented and created and inside the class and inside the method. Those will be accessible only up to the method only.
What is access modifiers?
Access modifiers means which will produce the access restrictions which will use it to enhance the data security. There are four types of access modifiers: public, default, private, and protected. According to this, there will be having the different access restrictions.
Okay. What are arrays?
Arrays is a data structure which will use it to store the homogeneous data types, which will having the store the data into a single variable side by side with the same multiple values. In a single variable, we are having storing the multiple values using the indexes.
Yeah, okay, Ashik. Good. We will get back to you, okay?
Thank you, ma'am.